Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change the date and time for DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! First, you want to get into the settings, and you can do that by swiping from the top to the bottom, like that. Then, you want to head all the way to the right, into General, and inside here, you want to start scrolling until you will see date and time. Let's click that. And for the right, we can change the time. As you can see, for me, it's currently 1 AM and 16 minutes after 1 AM. If you want to change it, you can simply click it and you can start scrolling to different hour. This doesn't really change your experience, but if I remember correctly, this will change how your recordings are named. And if we leave, we can also do the same for our date. So as you can see, I can travel back in time or back or further in the future if I think that's cool. And yeah, you can now leave and your settings should be saved. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.